Welcome to BoxOfDocs. If you are an administrator, you can administer accounts for your organization from within the application. Simply click the down arrow next to the accounts and select User Accounts. From here, you can view, add, edit, and delete accounts for your organization. To add an account, simply click the New Account button and fill in the fields provided on the next page with the appropriate information. Remember to click Save. To edit an account, simply choose the Account Edit from the menu icon located at the right side of each user. You can fill and change the same fields. You can also delete accounts from this menu. Deleting an account deletes the account and all user-associated information, and further denies access to the application. Please note that administrators can create other administrators as well, in the case that they need a backup or need to share the administration function. Also note that regular users can self-manage their own user profiles and settings except for their username and region, but they can change their name, email, default sort order, and passwords on their own. There's also an account recovery mechanism on the sign-in page to allow users to recover their own usernames and passwords and to minimize this administration activity. Note that users will need access to their email in order to recover their account.